Pretty active day in the Northeast. Of course, the storm system that blew through the central U.S. yesterday with some very heavy snow and also some severe weather is now making its way into the eastern U.S. And we have high wind warnings that have been posted across parts of the Northeast, including much of New York. We have a severe threat on the southern flank of the storm system and then some snow possible up to the north. So look at how active the weather is today. We still have some flood concerns across the Ohio Valley. As much rain as we had yesterday. Snow on the northern flank of that, kind of rolling right along the northern tier of the nation into the northeast. But all of these orange and brown shaded counties, those are actually high wind advisories and warnings. And this is where winds could be gusting up close to 50, maybe even 60 plus miles per hour. Look at Buffalo, 60 mile per hour wind, and even Philly, New York, D.C. could see some 40 plus mile per hour winds. On the southern side of that, we're looking at some severe weather. That'll be with us through the early afternoon, and then some snow on the northern flank of that, with maybe even some lake effect snow bands developing Wednesday night into Thursday. Some of that could lead to some decent tallies. But again, snowfall amounts here generally upwards of maybe a few inches of snow, a little bit heavier stuff as you work into northern Maine, but that could certainly have some impacts in traveling around the region, especially if we do have some heavier bands. But there's your severe threat from New Jersey down to South Carolina, but the slight risk from the Delmarva Peninsula to North Carolina could be looking at some pretty decent rainfall tallies there as well, but cold air on the wake of the storm.